Hey, this is Yuda for BitLab Academy, and today we're starting a new series of commercial or premium Ableton live packs. So this might be packs that you can purchase from the Ableton website or packs that are provided by third-party developers. And it's going to be everything from instruments to effects to Max for Live, video stuff, everything. We're going to try to keep it every Saturday. We'll see how it goes. So the first one, I got reached out by a friend, Madeline from Sonic Bloom. She got an amazing blog for Ableton, so check her out. Really great stuff, skins and instruments and Max for Live devices. She works very closely with Max for Cats, who develop a lot of stuff. So check her website out. And she released a live pack called Array Mbira, which is based on an actual instrument, kind of taking the Kalimba or the thumb piano and extending it over 4 octaves with really cool features and a really nice acoustic box. So these instruments, I believe, are developed in San Diego, the US, and she took hers, she's based in Berlin, and just sampled it and made a whole instruments, multiple instruments from it. So it's not that expensive, 30 euros. Let's check it out. Let's see what it's all about. So I have it right here in Ableton. Let's open up the pack. Installation is very easy with this one. Just double click, it's installing. We have 3 sets that are coming with it. And right here we have some sounds. Let's first go with the acoustic. And these ones are just the regular ones. So let's go with like Array Mbira Round Robin Pure. And Round Robin means that she sampled a few notes for each note, for each kind of metallic bar here. And meaning that they cycle between them. So let's play it. So we also hear the panning go left and right, and it's 2 different notes. I guess I have to go lower in octave. Here we go, that's the lowest. So we got 4 octaves. Really nice sounds. We even have a reversed round robin, so let's load this instrument. Very cool, everything reversed. We can randomize the round robin. So if you can hear, sometimes it triggers the same sample. We can distinguish it with the panning. If we open up the instruments, here we can see the actual samplers that she sampled each note. She have a different chain, very beautifully built. Here we can switch this simpler to a sampler, and we can see those 2 samples just for C, right? Just for the note C1. So she did one for all the octaves. Really great stuff. I think she also added some effects here. So from here you have macros to control the reverbs and the delays. Beautiful stuff. We also have like a strumming, and this is just like with an arpeggiator. I did love what she did here. There's some tools, I'll show you some presets that come with arpeggiator and some delays. Here she kind of did, she built a rack to multiply the octaves to get that kind of just everything going down. Very cool stuff. Okay, so that's the actual instruments. We also have some other, this is super dope. This is kind of forward and backwards. So you play it regularly with the round robin. But there's also a very light, soft, reversed sound. Here we go. So it's playing on below with everything. Beautiful for ambient music and chill and stuff like that. We can also go to the Array Mbira effects. And here we have a bunch of presets that is just the same instrument, same sampled instrument, just with a lot of different effects. We got some great stuff here, some pads. Post-rock Mbira. Wow. Some really great stuff. Let's try guitar and pluck. Master. Let's, wow, really great. Oh, that's arpeggiated. Wow, love it. Oh, and in this one, she added some... What's the randomization? I remember I saw some random here somewhere to randomize the octaves of the arpeggiator. Beautiful stuff. Array Mbira. She even got a MIDI effect here. That's the Octave Storm. That's what we saw before with fooling Ableton, thinking we have multiple octaves. So this is really great for styles that are like up and down or down and up. So it kind of fools everything to think goes all the way up, all the way down, and not up, down octaves. So check it out from Sonic Bloom. Array Mbira. Really awesome stuff. Sounds beautiful, sounds acoustic. You can do so many cool stuff with it. I wish there was more usage of the mod wheel. You can do a bunch of stuff, or even aftertouch. I don't have aftertouch actually on this keyboard, but the mod wheel. But of course, you can always use the expression control to add whatever you want the mod wheel to do. Array Mbira. I even hope I say it correctly. But Kalimba, thumb piano. Really great. I love that sound. So check it out from Sonic Bloom. And let me know what other commercial packs, live packs, you want me to review. I got a huge list, so we have a few coming up. But if you have any that you're interested in, let me know in the comments and we'll try to cover it. That's the Array Mbira from Sonic Bloom. Catch you next time.